Good morning to you, my viewers. This is another car wash. I'm at the car wash now. So, I love come to this car wash. So when I come to this car wash, I always get a good shine up, good wash. This is my vehicle going through. And what they do, they vacuum, take out the carpet, they scrub the carpet, and get a good vacuum, get all the dust out first, and then just put it on like a runner board, and it carry the cargo all the way up. And the soap and everything just apply by itself. Everybody, how a normal car wash does it. And some people still don't really never see the process. So I'm just bringing it to you. So, like the live, share, subscribe. I'm begging you, please. Trying to build. And this is my local car wash, VIP. Yeah, this is where I'm at. So, good morning to all my viewers. Again, this is me at the car wash. Bring another vlog to you. And today is a beautiful day. It's sunny outside. Kind of feel warm and at the same time cool, Yeah. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. And this is how we do it. Sometimes, as I said, I bring it different to you. I'm vlogging. Say hi to my camera. No? She's shy, Yeah. So this is outside. It's beautiful. You gotta enjoy every bit of the weather before it change again. Yeah. This is it, man. And this is the finished part of it. Yeah, they bring the car down here, and you have some Mesticon. They shine it up. Shine it real good. And they are the best worker, man. The Mesticon, them. But this is where the vehicle come from. Yeah. Yeah, this is my vehicle coming up. I just want to show you. And today's car wash vlog, as I told you. I try to do it kind of different sometime. Send it to you different. And this is my SUV coming up. Yeah. I do it real different sometimes. As I said, this is the finish area where the vehicle come up, and the Mesticon, like 3, 4, 5 of them just go around the car and them just shine it right up, and that's the finishing. Wheels and everything. And see they coming up here. Share and subscribe. I would so much appreciate it. Yeah. So they drive it around. Break it around, and then they shine it up, wheel, everything, and this is how it finished. This is my vehicle. Yeah. See those Mexicans down there? They just shine it up. And they bring it up right up here. Right up to the front. And then I take it, man. So thank you, my viewers, to watching. This is a car wash vlog. And I just want to share the process with you. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I appreciate it. So, I'm gonna say bye for now. Until another time. Thank you.